If you want to get into nature photography, here are 3 simple tips to get started. Tip 1, start with what you have. You don't need expensive equipment. Beautiful photos can be taken even with your phone. Just make sure to set it to high resolution. Tip 2, lighting is key. The best time to take photos is during sunrise and sunset. You'll capture stunning colors and animals are more active then too. Tip 3, be patient. Nature photography requires a lot of waiting, but it's worth it. Observe your surroundings and wait for the perfect moment. Follow these tips and you'll take better and better photos. Give it a try and share your shots.